telescopes and the climbing harnesses. Yep. And oh, hello. My name's Evie, and I'm doing inventory of our climbing store altitude at the Anaconda Mountain Range. If you were here last week, you would know that we learned about justice. Some mountain climbers were being quite mean to our friends Cam and Grigri. Roxie was scared to stand up for them just because she didn't want to get picked on herself. However, she learned that because we are followers of Christ, we are called to stand up for those who are being mistreated. You know what? Talking about Jesus makes me want to sing a song of praise. Why don't we do that now? My inventory list can wait until after. Well, I should finish my list now. Let's see what I've got. Lanterns, check. Flashlights, check. Trail mix. Trail mix? Where did it all go? That was full last week.
Trail mix, Belly. Ugh.
Wait, you ate all the trail mix?
It was so delicious, and I just couldn't eat another bite if I wanted to. Don't get me wrong, though, I'm very grateful for the free employee snacks.
Roxie, the food on this counter isn't employee snacks. That's for us to sell to the climbers. You know, when we have customers come into the shop to buy supplies and stuff?
Wait, stealing? Evie, I didn't know. You have to believe me. Don't call the police. Don't put me in prison. I'm so sorry. I didn't steal it. Not
I understand that it was an honest mistake. Don't worry about the trail mix. I'm not gonna call the police and I'm not gonna make you pay for it. Just please try to be more careful in the future, okay?
Oh, you're not mad?
No, you know, I believe in showing mercy, Roxie. You made a mistake and everything is gonna be okay. Listen, there's another climbing team that is just about to finish their climb of Peak 7 and I want to meet them at the bottom of the mountain and congratulate them for completing all 7 of the peaks of the Anaconda Mountain Range. So, can I trust you to watch the shop, take care of things here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you're going to make sure to watch the radio, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. All right, I'll see you later.
Wow, that was really nice of Evie for not making me pay for that trail mix. Wow, this is just gonna be a great day. I can feel it. Yep. Nothing but sunshine and... Wait, what's that rumbling? It's getting closer. Ah! Shh. This is Roxie Hitch at base camp. Somebody please help. We're under attack. Over. Shh.
Hitch, you're not under attack. That was us.
Yeah, sorry. We rolled a snowball down the mountain. It just kept getting bigger as it went. By the time it got to you, it was huge.
Yeah, and we didn't think it would actually hit anything, so we're really sorry, Hitch. Over.
What? You did this? You could have seriously hurt me. What were you guys thinking? You rolled down a giant snowball and it hit the shop. This is serious, you two, and oh, you're gonna get it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be bad. Over and out. Oh, I don't believe those two. They could have seriously hurt me, or someone else, or me. Oh, this calls for the worst punishment I could possibly think of. Think. Haha, $300 fine. Yeah, that'll teach them. No, that's not good enough. It needs to be something worse. Let's see. Oh, I got it. We'll be banned from the Anaconda Mountain Range and never allowed to return. Haha, yeah, that will show them. No, it's still not good enough. Come on, Roxie, think. Wait a second. They need to know what it feels like to get a bunch of snow dumped on them. Yeah, I'll start an avalanche and bury them. And then I'll ban them from the Anaconda Mountain Range and they'll both have to pay a fine. Yeah. The perfect plan. This is Hitch at base camp calling in Chopper 2-3. Chopper 2-3, come in. Over.
This is Chopper 2-3. What's up, Hitch? Who needs rescuing? Over.
Not a rescue mission this time, 2-3. I need you to fly close to the top of Peak 4 and drop some excess cargo over the mountain. Over.
Wait! Dropping anything onto the mountain like that could trigger an avalanche. Anyone climbing Peak 4 would be in danger. Are you sure about this, Hitch? Over.
I know what I'm doing, 2-3. Just get in position at Peak 4 and stand by for the go order on the avalanche. Over and out.
What happened here? Did you just say something about an avalanche?
Hi, Evie. Don't worry, I've got everything under control. Soon, Cam and Grigri will get what they deserve. Hello, 2-3. Are you in position? Over.
Hitch, it's us, Cam and Grigri. There's a chopper flying really close.
Yo, what's happening?
This is Pilot 2-3 in position for the cargo drop. Standing by for the go order, Hitch. Over.
What? A cargo drop?
That could cause an avalanche!
Hitch, what are you doing? We said we were sorry!
Please don't do this! Over!
You two are just getting what you deserve for that giant snowball.
What?
2-3. Drop cargo on my mark. 3.
No! Wait, hold on. This is Evie Cliff at base camp. Cancel orders, 2-3. Do not drop cargo. I repeat, do not drop cargo. Please return to the chopper pad. Over.
Roger that. Canceling cargo drop and returning to helipad. 2-3, over and out.
Triggering an avalanche? What were you thinking, Roxie?
I'm trying to give Cam and Grigri what they deserve. They rolled down a giant snowball, it hit the shop, knocked everything off the walls, scared me to half to death, almost could have killed me. It was so mean and they said it was an accident, but...
Whoa, Roxie, let's take a breath, breathe. So Cam and Grigri did something that they shouldn't have. They pushed a snowball down the mountain and, okay, so they deserve to be punished, but I think we should show them mercy.
But why?
Well, I can think of two reasons. One, because I showed you mercy with the trail mix incident. Remember, you deserve to be punished, but I decided to be merciful and not punish you. I let you off the hook and gave you another chance.
Yeah, that's true. I did forget about that.
And reason number two, because God showed us mercy through Jesus. We've all been shown mercy for things that we've done wrong, and it's our job to show mercy to others as well. Here, watch this. This is Evie Cliff at base camp calling Cam and Grigri. I've just been informed that the two of you rolled a snowball down the mountain towards base camp. That was dangerous, and the two of you should know better. Any more incidents like this, and the two of you will need to stop your climb, return to base camp, and take the climber's training course over again. Over.
We're sorry, Cliff and Hitch. We didn't realize how dangerous it is to break the rules.
We'll be more careful to follow the rules from now on. Over and out.
See, they learned something, and hopefully they won't be breaking the rules again. That's why it's important for us to show mercy to people. And next time, instead of getting angry, take a moment and pray and ask God to help you calm down and choose what is best. Don't forget that you're a follower of Jesus now. That means that you should try to live life like him, and that also means that you can ask him to help you through prayer.
I get it now. Thanks, Evie. And I know it will help me get it even more if we say our favorite altitude saying.
I like that idea. Okay, ready? We should let Beatitudes be our attitude. The kingdom of God belongs to you and you and you. So you are really gonna cause a whole avalanche because of a single snowball?
It was a huge snowball, huge!
Right. Remind me to never get on your bad side.